What's up, sunshine? Today is another day and another video. So for today's video, we are going to Edmonton Corn Maze and samahan niyo po ako sa another place na pupunta namin dito sa Edmonton. Ito po yung mga ginagawa namin when it's like a fall time, and luckily hindi pa po ganun kalamig kaya okay lang na walang jacket. It's really nice and warm. So, let's go and enjoy this adventure! Another day, another place to go to. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Nandito po kami sa Corn Maze, Edmonton Corn Maze.
Dala mo yung glasses si Zip?
May little wagons pa sila. There's a food truck, pumpkin barn, concession. Farm animals. Let's go, Ezekiel! Ezekiel, which one? Whoa,
Hi, Ezekiel.
Daddy!
Hello!
Daddy is a pig! Oink, oink, oink! Daddy is a sheep! We're going down! There's goats! Spud gun. There's the pig pen. There they are. Oink oink. The bunnies. Aw, they're so cute.
He's got a floppy red nose.
Drums. Hey, they use their horns. Here, look at the pig. How does a pig get to the hospital? In an ambulance. What scary movie do chickens love? The Partridges. Get cream. Hogwash. Which side of the chicken has the most feathers? The outside. Funny. Yay. Ezekiel is enjoying this. Ezekiel going around and around the hay.
Go there? Jump in.
Ready? We are now entering the corn maze. We're going that side. Okay, let's go.
Orange post. Oh, but now what?
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. I'm gonna try to pull that thing. Oh, smart boy. Yeah.
dewy drink that usually comes from cows.
Let's follow our leader, the little one. We're going up.
Way over there.
Oh, look at that view. This is actually looks really nice up here.
Okay, what the pig
Who's
say?
your leader?
What's the pig say?
Corn grows on every.
Oink. Okay, we're gonna go
Pig
right.
says,
What's this one?
who's your leader? What am I?
What am I? What's that? What is it? What is?
Sun shines. We're finally here. We got out. We got lost in the maze. Finally, we're here at the exit. Exit, congratulations. You found the end of the maze. Yay! Whoa! Bouncy bounce! Sama na, B.
She loves it.
High five! Yay! Choo choo! On a Cobb Corn Express.
This time we're not gonna get lost, Ezekiel. We have a driver now,
Yeah.
right?
Wow, look at the view. So you just gotta get this ball for $1, and then when you return it, you can get it back.
Okay.
Ezekiel's
Here,
getting
like
it.
this.
Let's go,
Daddy show.
Ezekiel.
Daddy show. Ready?
Wow.
1, 2,
2,
3, go.
3. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. 1, 2.
3, go.
Wow! You did it! Hooray!
High five.
Let's go to number 2. Video. Whoa, nope. Ezekiel, they're gonna close you inside.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
Give
Yay, win number 1. Wow, there's more. Wow. Ezekiel. They're playing.
You put that one back. I'll put the big color. Wait for me, Piggy. Yeah!
Yeehaw!
Get away!
Yeehaw! Whoa! Yay!
Oh, this is hard.
You asked if I was scratched?
No, this game is hard.
Then we both picked the same thing.
Ring the bull and to get it into the hook. Ayun, and we finally finished touring around in Corn Maze, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're always updated in my upcoming video. Subscribe na kayo! Madali lang yan. Click ng subscribe button sa baba. And yung bell na rin para updated kayo sa mga bago ko pong video. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Stay safe, spread love, and God bless. Bye!